my name is Loagn Riggs. I am a hardcore poser from the United States Bay Area. And today, everybody watching this video is gonna learn nothing.
Sup, posers? This is an unboxing of this. You didn't see that. Now I'm opening it up with this. Dun dun dun. Aren't you gonna record it?
Sleep with me, you won't be going bad. But why are we talking all up in this club? Should be on the bed or a couch or a rug. If I'm too blunt, it's probably because I'm feeling these drinks that I've already chugged. My apologies, your qualities are perfect. And if you let me take you somewhere, bet you would be worth it. So are you single? What's your status? To see you on my mattress, I know you've been on that drizzy. You've been busy with some practice. If you're down, just let me know.
You got it? Oh no, here we go. Nice little holder. Ooh, yeah, skateboard. So first we have the receipt of purchase back here. Then we have the Quest grip tape, clear. And then we have the main part, the skateboards. If you didn't guess already, these are all blanks. Yeah, size 8, right there. Yep, made in China. You see that too. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Posers.
Should be on the bed or a couch or a rug. If I'm too blunt, it's probably because I'm feeling these drinks that I've already chugged.